Hi Famies, welcome back to another video. I hope you are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. Most importantly, watch those ads. Child, today we are cooking peas rice, okay? I know you're wondering, girl, you're about to cook our fingers. What are you talking about? I said it. I'm saying, come closer, I beg. Grab that chair of yours. Hold it before you fall down because nobody's gonna pick you up, including your own boyfriend and girlfriend. We are cooking peas rice. These are the peas. You don't know them. The only time you use them is when you make a soup. I'm here with another plug. You see, if you cook this rice, especially if you are dating our brother in Nigeria, the other side, because it's a sister. This rice is a sister to jollof. And before you become a jolloфina, you must know how to cook this rice. So that when you see my brother, you are able to do the right thing. Anyway, chop. You know, in this house, we like color, okay? There are certain things they need to be bright. Just like your relationship, your current relationship now, it is brighter than... Hey, my sins were higher than the mountains when the Lord... Hey, Jesus! After chopping the yellow pepper, because we like color in this house, Famies, we like color. While I'm still entertaining you, make sure you click that like button. If you can't like it, let's subscribe, my sister. You scratch my back, I scratch yours. Or comment at least, what type of a meal would you like to see on this channel? Anyway, let's go back to the video and chop the red pepper. Remember, color it is important all the time when you cook. Make sure that your food look nice before we can even eat. Your food looks nice before we can even eat, okay? We eat first with our eyes before we put right inside our mouth. So if your food looks like a poison and you like brown onion, everything is brown onion, and this spice, the one that you even put in your shoes, 7 colors. What is this spice? Gun, something gun. Hey. Makas tunya sewe. Makas tunya sewe. We me peli December nja rinya kwa be akas tunya. December nja ka ukira wa peli kas tunya ria utuncha loena. If we find you cooking with that gun, that what gun, we perish you as well. We find a real one and we, So please, let's try new things. That gun is for, I don't know. I use it for braising, to braai. So apparently you even put it inside your shoes. Anyway, let's get to the third color, child. The third color, which is green. Because why? We want our rice to be on par, right? We want our things to be on par. Chop your green pepper already. You saw we have yellow, we have red, and we have carrot. I'm not sure if we're going to use that carrot. I can't remember if I used it, but we shall see. Okay? Chop. The same way that you'll be chopping that guy this December. We are almost there. The same way that you'll be chopping his money. Chop my money. I chop my money. Do you remember this song? Chop my money. I don't care. Yeah, you shall chop him. Now, this is onion. It will make you cry if you're not careful. Just like your ex. The one who broke you to the core, my sister. The one who made you go to that hospital and admitted yourself. Listen, this time around, we are not going to cry. This is onion. You tell it, onion, I'm here to chop you. You are not going to make me cry. We are here to do cooking. You can't always be crying because of onion. Are you mad? Why can't you come up with a plan? Every day you are crying because of one person. Anyway, back to the cooking. These are our colors. You see, yellow, red, and white. You get. They look nice already. You will feel like eating these peppers, and they are not even yet. They are still raw, but you can tell that. This one relationship. You see this one, the relationship. This one, the current one that you are in. My sister, mix it together. It is about to go down. It is going down. Put spices of your your favorite spices. Remember, we don't showcase spices because nobody's paying for the promo, okay? Until you bring your spice and say, my sister, here's my spice, I will promote you to the core. Put different types of spices of your any spice that you like, mix it together. It looks so good. Let me tell you something. If there's one meal that I enjoyed, child, oh my God, this rice, the peas rice, the sister to Jalofina, the sister to Jollof rice, with a little bit of chilies, the sister to Jollof rice. My sister, if you are, if your brother is cook this rice, you are going to Lagos. The following day, you fly to Lagos. You are already the Amagot. You are already the wife there by our brothers in Lagos. So please, then you're going to leave it for 5 minutes, a bit of 5 minutes, a young 5 minutes, and then come back. You put the peas. Remember, we boiled them aside. Initially, we boiled them aside. Now that they are ready with a little bit of salt, now that they are ready, you add them, mix them together with your onion and all 3 peppers. You're going to mix everything together, leave it for another young 5 minutes to 4, always low heat. A little bit of garlic, chili garlic, to give it taste and good smell. Now take your rice. Yay. Take your rice. Put it, my sister, don't be scared. This time around, love him to the core. Enter. Isn't that he's promising? This time around, enter the same way I'm throwing this rice inside. Enter with everything. Soul, your blood, your sweat. Enter. We shall see. We shall see. Mix everything together. At this point, mixer, you're starting to know his family. He's starting to know your family. Is the uncle of the uncle. This is the friend of the grandmother. This is the boyfriend to the friend of the grandmother that they once met in 1960 before your mother was born. This was the cousin. Everyone is mixing together. It is promising. It is promising. He attended the first family gathering. You saw his friends. His many friends that will always cover up for him, even when he's betraying you. Be careful. Now, look at the color. Child, when I tell you, this does not look like a poison. This is not a poison. A bit of aromat. You know, in this house, we don't do salt. We hate salt. As femination, we hate salt. If we find you this December cooking with salt, we crucify you. We crucify you and make sure that you unsubscribe, because there is no way you are going to use salt. Not in this era. In this era. DJs, wait, I'm still doing my content. So, not in this era. Child, look at this rice. Look at this rice. It's not even looking like a porridge. Cook nice, so cook nicely, I beg. Anyway, thank you for support. To new subscribers, thank you for watching, Famies. Until we meet again, stay blessed, keep multiplying, keep winning. I love you guys. Thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Bye.